Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make spaghetti Prego sauce. This easy method will have a delicious meal on your table in about 30 minutes. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need one 24-ounce jar of Prego sauce, 1 pound of ground meat, a small onion, 2 cloves of garlic, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, and a half cup of water. These few items are all it takes to create a fantastic sauce. Now let's get cooking. Start by heating 1 tablespoon of olive oil in a large skillet over medium heat. Once warm, add your 1 pound of ground meat. Break it up with a spoon and cook until it's completely browned, which usually takes about 5 to 7 minutes. After browning, be sure to drain any excess fat from the skillet. This step ensures your sauce isn't too greasy and keeps it light and flavorful. With your meat and aromatics ready, it's time to bring everything together. Carefully pour the entire 24-ounce jar of Prego spaghetti sauce into the skillet with the browned meat and vegetables. Next, add about a half cup of water. This helps achieve a perfect consistency. Stir everything thoroughly until all ingredients are well combined. Bring the sauce to a gentle simmer, then reduce the heat to low, allowing the flavors to meld beautifully. Your delicious Prego spaghetti sauce is almost ready. Let it simmer gently on low heat for at least 15 minutes, or even up to 30 minutes for deeper flavor. Remember to stir it occasionally to prevent any sticking and ensure even heating throughout. Before serving, give it a taste and adjust any seasonings if you like, perhaps a pinch of salt or a dash of black pepper. Serve this wonderful sauce over your favorite cooked pasta for a satisfying meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.